Hello, hi. I hope I'm audible and hopefully there are no background noises today. So let's start. Today's topic is gratitude. It's a very generic topic that I have taken, and you might have heard a lot about this, but people are of this are of this questioned, or they are in this confusion that what is actually real happiness. Okay, so for me, you are really happy only when you are grateful to God for what you have, and secondly, when you start enjoying those small moments of your life instead of thinking about in the future or of the past, to be in the moment basically. So that's what I feel is important in terms of your happiness. So gratitude, for what to express gratitude to God? Firstly, express gratitude to God for affording a basic living, that is a house, then water, I think water to drink, air to breathe in, and food to eat. I hope I'm audible. And go out loud. Okay, so for that's the first thing. Second, to have enough money that you have got a good education, and perhaps if you have a job, this is the second. And third, for the people that you have in life. And fourth, for the strength that God has given you to face any challenge. I know this is pandemic and it's difficult to be happy. Even I am struggling to be happy, but I think this is only the way the life goes. We can only do one thing in this pandemic: try to spend most of our time with our family, and I think that's how we can be happy and be in the moment and be in the house and be happy without thinking of what is in the future. For a sec, for a minute, for an hour, then you think about what will happen in the future, the next 24 hours, the next 23 hours. But for an hour you can free yourself from that burden, so that you also get fresh new ideas, you are freshened up, and you are all ready to face all the new challenges in your life. Thank you, time's up. Thank you for listening.